Hi, Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I'm going to be making a yogurt bark. So I've already done a little bed of my Greek yogurt on my parchment paper. And now I made a little blend. I didn't have mango, so I used pineapple, frozen pineapple, and I decided to put some banana in there. So I made a little puree of it, just used my blender. And added a little bit of water to it. So just again, put another coating over top that Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to top mine again with some more pineapple and some strawberries. These are frozen, but you could use fresh, but frozen's a little bit cheaper. And then I've got some pumpkin seeds. Just sprinkle some of that on. And some shredded coconut. You could use whatever you want. There's kind of no rules here. I had some toasted coconut I used a couple weeks ago. And done. You could throw that in the freezer for a couple of hours and then break it apart, and it is delicious. I made one here earlier this morning. So kind of did the same idea, but my base, I added peanut butter with my yogurt, mixed that in, so my base is peanut butter and yogurt. And then the pink, the puree, is banana and strawberry, and then I coated it or topped it with banana and strawberry. So another 5 out of 5 for me. Bye guys, have a good one.